Hey guys, today I will show you how to make jalebi at home. So this packet is from Gits. You can buy as per your needs any packet that is ready made basically, and they will provide you a this kind of utility box, you can say, so that you can make your perfect jalebi. But I am so novice at this point because I'm making jalebi with this for the first time. So in this box they have mentioned that what you have to do through the process, like you have to heat 250 gram of edible oil or ghee in a shallow pan and hold the nozzle of the jalebi maker above the surface of the oil. Squeeze to make 3.5 circles with the batter, starting from the center and sealing the end in the last half round. Deep fry on medium heat till crisp and golden. Next and third final step is immerse the jalebis in warm sugar syrup with at least for 20 seconds and then serve it hot. So basically they will provide you every instructions details with this nozzle cap, and you can make it at home. So let's see how can I make this kind of jalebi, whether I can make or not. So I got this only for 75 rupees, and inside the packet they have sent this powder, instant jalebi powder. So for the first procedure is that making the chachni or the sugar syrup, and for that I will need 300 ml of sugar with water. Let's make that. So I have this measuring cup with 150 ml, so I will use the double of this cup for 300 gram sugar. So this is my first 150 ml, and I will again put 150 ml more, another half. They asked me to give 240 ml of water. You can add some saffron strings for added taste, although they have already mixed everything to make the jalebi tasteful, but still I have added this few saffron strings. Along with I will add one elaichi. You can skip this step, but however I added this to make it more tasty. Dissolve all the sugar into this water. You don't have to make a very thick, you can make at least one string syrup. For those who don't know, for one tip, there is some measuring points like 200 ml in this nozzle. So for those who don't have any measuring cup, they can use this nozzle cap bottle for their measuring, cup. So yeah, it has already dissolved it. So I will again let it boil for a while, and then I will turn off the gas. So here is the mixture. I pour it in a bowl. So I have used this nozzle cap to make a paste of this jalebi mix. Take little amount of water. You can use spatula also to mix it up. You have to make a paste that is not so much thick or so thin layer. So yeah, this batter is done, and you have to pour it onto the nozzle. So this is the final step. Just pour it into this nozzle cap. Then I will show you how to fry this jalebi. So heat the oil as a required temperature. So this temperature is enough for jalebi. Let me show you that whether it is enough or not. So make sure that you have put a little bit, just a bit. Yeah, this is perfect. There is how your jalebi is making. You have to fry it until it comes to golden brown or golden color. So for the first time I'm using this nozzle, so I'm making less than the usual times, so it's only 3. So it's done. Now I will put this into the sugar syrup or chachni. Just 2 to 3 minutes maximum. This is how you can make jalebis at home with very quick, easy steps.